Oh, morning guys. Just before 7 o'clock. Tuesday the 27th. Tasha here. Yeah. Got out on the Mary Ellen 2 again today. A little bit of promotion. We go up there. Some steps up there. Coso Tackle. I'll put a picture of his information up. So yeah, last trip out I didn't do a video because it was a disaster. Nobody caught anything. Extremely bad drifts. Wind was a westerly coming straight off the land. And yeah, we were drifting at, get this guys, 3 knots. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Yeah. A little bit calmer this morning. Southwesterly winds today. Turning southwest southerly. So winds aren't too bad this morning. Lovely morning. Let's hope for a good day today. I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Here we go, guys. We're heading out. 11 on board, including myself, Lee, Sai. Tasha is with us, as you saw. We've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 7 on board. Apparently they had a good day yesterday. Quite a few coddy were showing. So I've got my new rig on. I'll just let these on 3 O's. Twin paddle tails in the orange. So good game I go. See how we get on. Heading up towards Filey. First of all, give it a go up there. And then see how we get on. I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. There you go, guys. First drift on them. Didn't bland, 2 little dab. I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. It's on video anyway. Here we go, guys. Tasha with a big smile. Look at this. A nice wrasse here. All I did, silver feather flash on. All I did was just put some squid on the end, bottom hook. Nice little wrasse. Nice one, Tash. Yeah, guys. Oh, sun. Right, just a little update. So far, it's been me with 2 flatties. Billy's had a flatty. Tasha's had a nice wrasse. And another chap a bit further down has had a nice cod. So we're going to try out on one of the wrecks, because at the moment, we're only drifting 0.2 of a knot. Where the other day, it was like 3 knots and I didn't make a video on that one. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit when we're out on the wreck. I'll catch you later, guys. Just to bring you back, guys. Yep, I've had a nice little pollock. 35 centimetres. And Tasha's just brought in that little sand eel. And look at the smile on that face. That says it all. So we've had foul cod. 2. What else have we had? Oh, pouting. I've had a wrasse. Here. 2 flatties. 3 flatties on board. So that's like 5 or 6 different species of fish on board so far. And it's in the 11:10. We're doing well. I think there might be a couple of guys that are blanking at the moment, but apart from that, it should be good. Right, I'll bring you back later, guys. There you go, guys. Here's Tash. Just got a nice little pollock. Another keeper. So that's what? 4 in the bucket now to take home. Nice one, Tash. Well, there you go, guys. That's it. Day over. Everybody's caught something. So everybody's happy. So I've ended up with 2 pollock and a cod to fill it when I get back to harbour. Everybody's had a good day. Tash has had quite a few as well. Between me and Tash, we've had 5 different species today, which is a good day. And I'm holding my phone like this because the heavens have opened up. So, yeah. The guys that are sat actually on there, I'll turn you around. Yeah, it's raining. But we're heading back in now. So, yeah, successful day.